Welcome back, food lovers. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Indonesian cuisine, exploring a dish that's rich in flavor, culture, and history, Ayam Betutu. This dish from the island of Bali is not only a feast for the senses but also holds some incredible stories and hidden facts. Ready to discover what makes Ayam Betutu so unique? Let's go. Ayam Betutu, or spiced and slow-cooked chicken, is much more than a delicious meal. It's a cultural icon of Bali. Historically, this dish was prepared for special religious ceremonies, weddings, and village gatherings. Traditionally, whole chickens are filled with a complex blend of spices and wrapped in banana leaves before being cooked for hours, a technique passed down through generations. Did you know that Ayam Betutu was once considered a royal dish? Back in the day, it was prepared for kings and nobles in Bali. The slow cooking process was a symbol of patience and respect, qualities highly valued in Balinese culture. Although it's widely enjoyed today, it still holds that special touch of royalty. The magic of Ayam Betutu lies in its ingredients. We have turmeric, ginger, garlic, chili peppers, and lemongrass, plus a unique spice blend called bumbu betutu. This combination of spices is what gives Ayam Betutu its signature flavor: warm, spicy, and aromatic. Fun fact: the exact spice mixture can vary from family to family, making each version of Ayam Betutu unique. Ayam Betutu cooking techniques are deeply rooted in tradition, with methods passed down from one generation to the next. Historically, the dish was buried in hot coals or cooked underground for hours, which was believed to enhance the flavors and make the meat incredibly tender. Bumbu betutu is the real star of the dish, and traditionally, it's prepared by hand using a mortar and pestle. This process helps release the essential oils from the spices, which adds to the depth of flavor. It's a labor-intensive method, but Balinese cooks believe this slow grinding brings out the best taste. While Ayam Betutu uses chicken, in some regions, a variation called Bebek Betutu is made with duck. This version uses the same spice blend but is said to have an even richer taste because duck meat absorbs the spices differently. Bebek Betutu is especially popular for religious ceremonies. Once the chicken is fully coated in spices, it's wrapped in banana leaves. Traditionally, the dish is then slow-cooked in a clay pot or buried underground. In modern kitchens, we can use an oven, but to get that authentic taste, using a charcoal grill or smoker works wonders. The banana leaf isn't just a cooking tool, it's an essential flavor component. As the chicken cooks, the banana leaf infuses a subtle, earthy aroma that complements the spices perfectly. This method of using banana leaves dates back centuries in Balinese cooking. The aroma is incredible. You can smell the spices, the banana leaf, and that tender, juicy chicken. Now, let's take a bite and see if it lives up to its reputation. It's amazing. The spices have penetrated every bite, and the chicken is melt in your mouth tender. This is what makes Ayam Betutu such a beloved dish in Bali and beyond. In Balinese Hinduism, Ayam Betutu is sometimes prepared as an offering to the gods during temple ceremonies. It's believed that the dish represents prosperity and gratitude, so this meal holds both cultural and spiritual significance. Today, Ayam Betutu is widely available in restaurants across Bali, but each place offers its own spin on the dish. Some add extra chili for a spicier version, while others make it with a crispy exterior. This dish has adapted over time, but the traditional flavors and techniques remain unchanged. Interestingly, Ayam Betutu has also become a symbol of Balinese hospitality and tourism. Many local restaurants and food festivals highlight this dish, and it's become a must-try for visitors to Bali. For many tourists, trying Ayam Betutu is an authentic way to experience the local culture. Ayam Betutu is often served with rice and sambal, an Indonesian chili paste. This pairing adds a nice contrast to the dish, with the sambal bringing an extra kick. In some places, it's also served with lawar, a traditional Balinese salad made from grated coconut, green beans, and herbs. In Balinese villages, Ayam Betutu is commonly prepared for communal gatherings and celebrations, bringing together families and neighbors. The cooking process is often a group effort, with everyone contributing, from marinating the chicken to wrapping it in banana leaves. It's a dish that truly brings people together. To truly appreciate Ayam Betutu, we need to go back in time. Bali was once a key player in the Indonesian spice route, which influenced local cuisine profoundly. Spices like turmeric, coriander, and cloves came to Bali through trade, and they became core ingredients in Balinese cooking. Ayam Betutu is a product of this ancient culinary heritage, embodying Bali's rich spice traditions. Did you know Ayam Betutu has influenced dishes across Indonesia? Its use of spices and slow cooking techniques inspired similar recipes in regions like Java and Sumatra. Although each region has its twist, the influence of Balinese spices can be tasted throughout the Indonesian archipelago. This makes Ayam Betutu not just a Balinese treasure but an Indonesian culinary ambassador. That's it for our journey into the world of Ayam Betutu. This dish is not just delicious, it's packed with history, tradition, and unique cooking methods that make it a treasure of Indonesian cuisine. If you ever visit Bali, you've got to try it. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not try making it at home? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe for more global food adventures, and let us know in the comments what dish we should explore next. Until next time, Selamat makan, and see you in the next video.